Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. As we all know that nowadays people uses smartphones a lot, and while shopping also we don't carry any paper list. So today I will be showing some checklist application that will be very useful for you if you're going for shopping and want to make a list that should be present in your phone itself. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application, say Google Task. You need to search for this application. So you can see this application, Google Task. This application is developed by Google itself, so you don't have to worry about its features. So I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. So you install it, and once installation is done, click open. So you can see here this checklist user interface. Below you can see here the plus where you can add your checklist, and below it you can see a calendar icon. Just tap on it if you want to set a time that makes you alert regarding those lists or those tasks. So you can set their time, as well as if you want a repeated alarm, you can tap on the repeat, or you can change this only once, then you can tap on that. And then in the bottom left corner there is some more options. As you can see, there will be your account, which you can sync through your different device, and you can create a new list also from here itself. And even if you wanna delete those remove list, then you can rename or delete list which have been completed. You can delete the completed task, copy reminder to task. Even you can set the theme to the, if you like the dark themes, you can set to the dark themes. So depending upon your needs, you can use it. So I'm sure it will help you in day-to-day life uses. So go and check it out by yourself, download it from the Play Store and try it by yourself. I'm sure you will like this application since it is very simple to use, and you can even sync your checklist from one device to other device. Just you need to put your Google account or the Gmail accounts. So what are you waiting for? Go and try yourself. So the next applications I want to show you again is, let's go and find in the Play Store again. Here you need to search for one application named the checklist. Once you see lots of applications here, so let me show you which applications you need to download. So here is the application checklist by Nathan Anderson. So what's special about this checklist, I will tell you in the later video. First you download and install it. So once you have installed it, click on open. So you can see here simple and minimalistic design. So below you can see here the plus symbol. You can tap on there and you can create just by tapping. Again, you can tapping, you can create those very easily, and once you have done, you can tap on the plus, so it is completed. So you can create a list on the side by clicking on this plus button. So you can rename, say, I'll write office. Once done, add to list, and you can see in the add list. So this is very simple and useful for day-to-day life. If you want a checklist in a very simple and a very classic style, then you should try this application, and it will be very useful in day-to-day life users if you want to keep a checklist whether you have completed those tasks or those work or not. So you can try this application even for the shopping, even for the groceries, purchasing some things, so and so. So try yourself this application too, and if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.